Importing a Word document into WordPress can be a convenient way to quickly transfer your content into a post or page. However, WordPress doesn't natively support importing Word files directly into the editor, so you have to follow a few steps to ensure smooth integration. Here's how to do it. Copy and paste content. Open the Word document. Open your Word document on your computer. Copy the text. Select the text in your WordPress document and press Ctrl+C or Command+C to copy it. Paste into WordPress. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Posts, Add New or Pages, Add New. In the editor, paste the content by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V. This will retain the formatting from your Word document. Edit if needed. After pasting, you may need to adjust formatting or fix any discrepancies. WordPress sometimes adds extra styling when copying directly from Word. Using a plugin. Install a plugin. Install a plugin like Mammoth.docx Converter from the plugin repository. Upload the Word document. After installing, use the plugin's interface to upload the Word document and convert it to a WordPress post.